Hello, welcome to the SkyDRM feature training. Today, I will show you how to use our WorkSpace feature. WorkSpace is a common place to share documents securely with all tenants. All the documents uploaded to the WorkSpace are always protected. The user can protect a file from anywhere and store this protected file in the WorkSpace to share with other users in the same tenant. The user can also add a protected Excel file from anywhere into this workspace and share it with all other users that belong to the same tenant. Let's see a demo for the workspace feature. I log into SkyDRM web client as John Taylor. After I log in, I can see a workspace and view the files in the workspace. Here, I open a demo directory under the workspace. Currently, there are no files here. I decide to upload and protect a file into the demo directory. I choose a file from my local drive and proceed. I can give some permissions here, and I can upload. The file is then uploaded into the workspace and protected there automatically. Then I log into SkyDRM in the Windows desktop application with a different user. Here, I log in as Ted. I go to the workspace, and in the demo folder, I can see this document is protected by John Taylor and is shared in the workspace. I can view the document, I also can add another Excel file here to share with all the other users in a tenant. So let's go to my vault. Here I have protected sample docs. Let me add this file into the workspace and share with all other users. I put it into the demo folder. I go back into the workspace demo folder, and I can see this file is copied here and shared with all other users. Now I go back to log into the web client using John Taylor's user again. I go to the workspace, go to the demo folder, and I can see this file has been shared with me by Ted. Thank you for watching this SkyDRM feature video. If you have any further questions or comments, please contact us at the email above. Have a nice day!